Now, me say, if you don't see me answer she back right now, God, leave it come here, so. Me nah get with her, me nah look back on her, me don't send her what me have to send her. She wish tell her to check her Instagram. And me don't talk to she. She too out order. As she come by me never trouble her. As she trouble me. She just see people that have a jolly time of fish fry. And see people views up and people that enjoy themselves. And people can bring out them pitney and enjoy themselves. Something she not do. Only do them something upon occasions. Special occasion you can't feel look ratatouille them. Special occasion you carry out the down of the planets of the apes. Special occasion you carry them out. Special occasion we see you and the hyenas them out. We no soon out on a regular basis, you know. You and the hyenas them only out on special occasion. Oh. Am I dumb to post it to make TikTok to come up page? The girl work, the kids go to school block. Am I dumb? If I can brawlingly make that pan live and make everybody know say I'm brawlingly make it. You know say the girl bad man. You know say the girl I try to take views. You know say the girl all about popularity. The last something I post on TikTok, on Instagram, and me a suck my manhood and them to come up page. Am I dumb to post it for them to come up page and me just build up again? Am I dumb? Am I dumb? Post it now and 5 person probably don't ever view it. Because Instagram gonna take it down immediately. What? Go ease yourself, yeah, man. Go bill. And then you go play a victim now. You go act like say as somebody see you and trouble you. You know, are some wicked people that you know. The people that need to come off of them land and know what say you're the evil. You is the problem. That's why the family member them want you off of the land. And you're the problem. Are you the chop up your dog? Are you chop up your dog because you want people to send your money and people to starve for you? Are you provoke your family member them for them want you off of the land so people can come starve for you to give you money? You know what you do is a little troublemaker. You is a little troublemaker. Because I didn't trouble you. I didn't trouble you. I didn't beg friend from you. Are you rush up in on me? I'm still never as a friend associate. I'm play one look match with you. I go about my business. I go sell me fuck pan Onlyfans and you come boots and talk about it. And about what look good from what never look good. The last time I check, I used it. You see the little thing and it cute. Especially when me and my man set it so. So oh no, you have something different for say about me and my man. And my man who dead. And now your voice in the Skilly Ben song say it did sound good. And it did look good. So how now you change your mouth? All of a sudden now, who dead? All of a sudden now, who dead? And you start change your mouth. Now look past she, make she go on. I'ma block you. Because I'm not obligated for answer to none of the fuck out. When you can go have a jolly time on the comment section. You know me not give a fuck. Block. Come off of this. Screen record where you want and put it up and go talk with one of the best. That not have nothing to do with me. And you can't cancel me because no haters support me. I'm a sensation. Them cancel no matter. When I've been a try that from 2016. Now it's 2025. Give up. It will never work. It will never work. Give up. Especially when people say I have them trouble me. I never trouble her. I did not trouble that girl. You take up something that have nothing to do with you. Something happened years ago. Something happened years ago. It had nothing to do with you or needed your opinion. And even if you give one opinion, the opinion the way you give on it is a hypocrite opinion that. Just like I could have give opinion on a raw situation and people say me did enough. Because that was a genuine opinion. Me a genuinely tell her, say the boy I don't want her and she go feel it. And see me live for see it go on now. Me live for see it go on now. But you come and I take up my problem them by your head. And I talk about what me did do to fear Pitney after you claim to say, oh, me and Vani a friend. And you and Vani sit down and you play a match every day. But you're quick to come class me about something what happened years ago and still say you have picture in your phone and you still pre me for this. But yet still, there is no way a girl could have put a picture like that with ice and me sit down on screen with her. Not there. When you look to a friendly and love views, when you rather views over on a picnic. No girl pan the live and no boy pan TikTok. Why you think me not talk back to Destiny? You think me not like Destiny? Me not have a hate for Destiny. Remember me and Destiny did have whole heap of things before that. And me talk back to Destiny multiple times and nobody could stop back and nobody no program me. If you don't want to give me so make it be, nobody no program me. But when Destiny go send me the message, boy, I go wear my do to ice. And that make me cut off all loose. And up till today, Destiny can never talk back to me. Never. And me put big black hood pan fear 3 musketeers them. And because of coins and your love coins over your pitney, you come play with me and you play hypocrite with me. Forget money, coins. You that sell on soul. You that sell your kids them soul for money. You that sell them soul to gain the world. And that you would do. Can you make because of coins and views make you sit down and laugh in my face and play with me, knowing that you still have me up for something we gone long time. A real genuine mother and smarty with sense now sit down and laugh up on no screen with no girl we do things like that to them pitney. You see I did have the picture in your phone from last year and New Year. Me give you something fresh for look on. Save that one day too. Yeah. She needed something new and I give it to her. She needed something more recent and I give it to you. Now, look at the picture and tell me if that pose is okay and if you like it. I can make a couple more and send it to you. I just send you 2 more when I edit and that's it. I'm done with you now. All of the girls let me come about me stay bad. Look on her face. And she sell cream for face. Look on her face when the filter move. Pot hole and you sell cream for face. You look mash up in a Jamaica. For a married woman, you look mash up. Look underneath your chin and be a black. Look by your eye them. You're tired, go sleep. Hard life will lick you. Take down them cheap curtain and go put up some nice expensive curtain. Hard life will kill you. Change your bedded. Go buy some Amazon bedded like me. Go fix up your life. That's what you need to do. Fix up your life. Huh? You can't hype on me with also the family member them want you for them property. If them for really care you got quote you have to get up. Because you never buy it, you just build on it. You'd have to call a truck to take up your house and carry it go somewhere else. Huh?
Happy me now crowd that pay a witchcraft worker after hours. Baby now must possess. Ivany, me go say this to you. You see? It doesn't matter the shoe you're wearing. You see, God is all powerful. And He's not only all powerful, but He's all merciful. Ivany, me go say something to you. Because a lot of screen records are going to go out there with me saying what I say and people are going to jump in. Can me hear some people, it better she do that than leave a baby with people. I'm like, huh? But nevertheless, Ivany, me go say something to you. You see, God is all powerful, but you see above all powerful is all merciful. I'm going to say this to you, Ivany. You see you having a baby in a crowd like that, you don't know what you just exposed the little boy to. Ivany, me live on the right from the ghetto when me say better than your mongrel where you have demon coming at the house pan them. Me say better than your mongrel where you have outside last night. Me see Dopia Faladay, sickle cell, asthma, Parkinson, scoliosis, cancer. You understand me? Now, Dan Reed, we don't say you cuss D. We say you reprimand D for Ivany. But the thing that you should have said is reprimand Ivany before you reach a D. For about ice out a road. In a set of over walking crowd. That's the first thing. Because Ivany will never, you know, say, me not even say, you should have known, you should have even said to Ivany, say, don't talk about the child, baby, so come in a business with them are carelessness. But when me I say, no pick no side, ask Ivany, why she have eyes out a door? Why she have eyes out a door, Dan? You always pick the wrong side. You always pick the wrong side. But I kind of understand. Because you can't take the beating from the internet. So D is an easy walkover. Because all I know I couldn't talk about Ivany and D when they used to eat one another crutches. Me just talk how the internet just open up so. And leave Ivany to have ice out a door. And Uno said one come on and say no love ice and Ivany is a good mother. Remember Dan? Dan, remember when you talk, say Ivany is a good mother. So me I wonder how you reach a D official and never stop a Ivany mistake for have eyes out a door. In a set of crowd like that. Both Batty man, straight man, DLLD. Who be a walking. And then I want to say, don't get the kids involved. If you cuss the mother, cuss the mother. But don't cuss the baby. The icicle lungs supposed to black up last night. The amount of weed smoking, cigarette smoking, and liquor drinking. So you see how the internet is careless. And that me I said D and Ivany, you know something for you to talk about. Them used to eat one another from back ways. Let us talk about how the girl have the baby out in the deal and foreign nappy, it not nippy nappy. And that we are talking about. You never know. Then who could I tell me say ice never did a lick down for him orange juice and white rum? And that me I talk about Dan. Me not care who for side you want pick. But me I say before you pick a side, make me stop at the mother. This child keep proving to all of una over and over, and una keep giving her free passes because she more demonic than anybody else on the app. So when she come and talk about, and them I take eyes, and I take picture eyes, who is eyes? Eyes is another pop. He might go vogue in the driveway. Like how Papa vogue in the hallway. It wasn't a picnic party, but none of them hold the bitch accountable. But I did Annie do it. Make it had been Annie that you say Annie a careless woman because she and her daughter they a dance. When she and Zoe do a dance. Make it had been Annie. And Zoe knowledgeable more than Ice. We beat Annie for not sending Zoe to school. So why we not beating Ivany for carrying Ice to a party? Sorry, to a dance. Why? And what we done, plum, we say we care about the babies. Where Kasha there? Oh, Kasha not come on yet. Where is Kasha? Where Kasha there? How Kasha not come on yet? Kasha love to talk to. Kasha say, my old Ivany thing that about eyes. I tell you, not always walking on my speech. I one thing with me, never tell the life. When I always a dabbling in my speech, all me have to do is just say it and not do it. All me have to do is just say it and not do it. Remember one time the whole internet put up, Ivany is a good mother. And I say, okay, see good mother there. Ice, more have to kick out Ivany all and nobody else. Ice. Yeah. Until you thought them say leave the girl alone. Then you think say me I carry Ivany with me. Ivany is alone. God believe me, Ivany is alone. To all Ivany is alone. You see, to all Ivany feel lonely on the inside. All of other things say Ivany isn't lonely. Ivany not come to acceptance yet. She does not want to accept herself for who she is. You see the funny part about life? Is when you know you're going to feel like you have to do it and can't help it. That's one of the worst things in our life. Is when you know you're going to feel you have to do it and cannot help it. You never know. You think Ivany know how to do better? She can't do better. She doesn't know how to. The funny part about life, she come to terms that she feel herself, so everybody else have to feel with her. You never know that. If nobody not come to terms of how them feel in a life and where they are going after death, Ivany. She not live above her means. Ivany ain't living above her means. Ivany not living above her means. Always remember Ivany is a thief. Don't think it's the internet feeding Ivany.